Hey guys, so today I'm going to have my Boxycharm unboxing. As always, I have already looked at it, I've peeked, so yeah, mine this month did not come with a card for whatever reason, so I can't tell you the prices like I normally would. I don't know why it didn't come with a card this time, but it did not. So anyways, let's just get right into it and I will show you what I got in my box this month. So the first thing that came in my box was this Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and this one is in Havana Nights. I already own this liquid lipstick. I love it. I have mine in the old packaging. I got it when Kathleen Lights first came out with this. I actually really am liking their new packaging though, because before, like, the writing and everything would wear off. But yeah, so this is the first item in my box, and I want to say these retail for around $20. I'm not 100% sure on the price, but they're around $20. So yeah, already know I love that product. The next thing is this Briogeo Rosarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. So this is just a mini guy. I have had this in the past from another subscription box. I don't remember which one it was. But I do know that I do like this conditioning spray, and I think I've heard that this retails for around $12. So the next item is this $1 Billion Brows. This is their Universal Eye Pencil. I have no idea what this one retails for. I will try to look it up and leave it linked in the description box below. But this is just a taupey brown color. So it looks like that. It is very creamy, and it's like a twist up and down, and then it has the spoolie on this end. So yeah, we'll see how I like this. I'm always open to trying new brow pencils. I do my eyebrows every single day, so we'll see how I feel about that. The next item, or two items, is this Tarte Luminous Dewy Silk Mask, and it came with two of them, and I think these retail for around $24 as well. So that's exciting. I'm not really super into sheet masks. I should be. I should do them more often than I do, but I'm lazy and I don't. So yeah, I'm still excited to try them though. I will eventually, so that's exciting. And then the last thing in the palette was a Tarte palette, and that was the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. This is volume 3. So we got one of these a few months back. I got the volume 2. This one's really pretty. It's just these are all shimmer shades, but these are a bunch of like rosy, champagne-y, and like bronzy tones. So I'm actually quite excited to use this, and I did use it on my eyes today. I used this color, so this one is Treasure, and then I also used this pink shade over here, and that one is Heat Wave. They are absolutely gorgeous, and I loved the few colors that I used out of it. I don't mind having an all shimmer palette to pair with like another palette, because I do tend to have a lot of all matte palettes. I know that was a huge complaint from some people about this palette, but I don't mind, and there's some really gorgeous shimmers in this one. So, and I believe this specific palette retails for around $34. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got down below. If you guys like it, don't like this month's box. I've heard a lot of people didn't really care for it. Personally, I think it's a pretty decent box. I'll use everything that I got, and I actually really do like the palette. So that's just kind of my thoughts on it. Let me know what your guys's are, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.